The dealership has a script ready for you. You bring in your 5.3 with a little tick, and they slide a quote across the desk. $8,000. Or better yet, maybe it's time to look at a new truck. Here's what they won't say. Your engine was never the problem. The 5.3 Vortec is one of the most reliable V8s ever bolted into a pickup. The problem is a gadget the bean counters forced onto it to please a fuel economy sticker: active fuel management, a system that shuts off half your cylinders while you drive. They created the flaw. Then they charge you to fix it. Tonight, I'm giving you the 4 moves smart owners make. And number 4 takes 10 minutes and costs less than dinner. First, know which side of the line you're on. If your truck runs the classic LM7 and nearly every 1999 to 2006 Silverado does, breathe easy. That engine never had AFM. Same goes for every 4.8. You dodge the whole mess, and it's one more reason your truck is worth more every year. But if you've got a 2007 to 2013 5.3, it came from the factory with AFM inside. Watch your dash on the highway. If it flashes into V4 mode, that's the system working right now. Same legendary iron heart, just carrying a parasite. Second, the 10-minute shield, a plug-in disabler. It goes into the diagnostic port under your dash. No tools, no tuning, no trace. It locks your engine in V8 mode, the way the small block was meant to run, so those special lifters stop collapsing and reopening mile after mile. That constant switching is what wears them out. It's a couple $100, and you can pull it out in 5 seconds. If your engine is healthy today, this is move 1. Do it before the tick starts, not after. Third, the permanent cure, the full delete, standard lifters, a non-AFM camshaft, and a proper tune. This is what mechanics run in their own trucks. The engine GM should have shipped in the first place. Yes, it costs real money up front. But here's the math nobody at the service counter does for you. Half those parts are the same ones you'd be buying anyway the day a lifter lets go. If the tick has already started, or you're in the engine for any reason, don't patch it. Cure it once. Drive it another 20 years. Fourth, the 10-minute habit that protects everything. Ignore the oil life monitor. Change your oil every 5,000 miles with a quality filter and check that dipstick once a month. These engines can sip oil quietly, and low oil is what kills lifters first. A jug of good oil costs less than dinner out. A camshaft costs a vacation. Here's the verdict. GM built you a bottom end that will outlast the body it sits in. Then the accountants taxed it with AFM. Now you know how to take that tax off the table. Shield it, cure it, or flat out out-maintain it. A lifter tick is a repair. It is not a reason to hand your truck to a dealer for pennies and sign up for a $1,000 payment. Never sell that truck over a tick. Now talk to me. What's under your hood? Stock, disabler, or full delete? Drop your year, engine, and mileage in the comments. Let's see who's running the highest mile 5.3 in this garage. And check the pinned comment. I've listed the exact disabler and the oil I trust on my own trucks. If your 5.3 is still pulling strong, hit subscribe. This channel was built for you.